Here comes an IQ of 4 scumbag in a cessna, pleased with himself, approaching slowly, as if he's some kind of elite human. Some fucking dirtbag, child, sick bastard put him in a position where he has the power to fly around and do illegal shit and revel in his home base of being a child loser, psychopath, faggot fuck. And he's enjoying himself right now because he's sludge for brain, because all those people are fucking mediocre. That's why they have to work in groups. Like right now, he thinks he's getting like a rise out of me, that he's aggravating me. My mom just came out because she hears the planes, because they screwed her up pretty badly. So this dude will do this and be pleased with himself because he's such a low-level piece of shit. He'll go back to his little leader and the faggots that are associated with him, and they'll all be pleased with themselves. Then they'll go kill some people, and then they'll all drink the same beer as the people they killed. They'll all want to watch the Super Bowl and celebrate Father's Day, New Year's, and Christmas. And this little IQ of 4 piece of shit will still do the same crap, operate on the same mediocre level, and be pleased with himself. Ignorant as fuck.